Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back. In part 2, we'll explore the health benefits, possible side effects, and a simple recipe for green celery juice you can make at home. If you scroll through wellness TikTok or Instagram, you have probably seen someone holding a bright green glass of celery juice. Claims range from flat stomach overnight to total body detox. No wonder people feel confused. At its core, green celery juice is simply blended or pressed celery, usually with a bit of water. It can be a refreshing, low-calorie drink, but it is not magic. This video walks through what green celery juice really is, how it compares to eating celery sticks, what science says about its benefits, possible side effects, who it may help, and how to make it at home. By the end, you can decide if it belongs in your routine, and how to drink it in a way that feels good for your body. What is green celery juice and how is it different from eating celery? Green celery juice is made by pushing celery stalks through a juicer or blending them with water, then straining out the pulp. The result is a smooth drink that tastes salty, fresh, and slightly bitter, with a light green color. Whole celery sticks are crunchy and full of fiber. When you juice them, most of that fiber is removed. You still get water, natural salts, and many plant compounds, but the drink feels lighter and goes through your stomach faster. For some people, that quick hit of fluid and minerals feels energizing. For others, it feels too strong on an empty stomach. The taste also changes. Juicing makes the flavor more intense, so small amounts of lemon, cucumber, or green apple are often added to soften the bite. In short, you trade crunch and fullness for a stronger, faster drink. Both forms can be part of a healthy diet. The better choice depends on what you want in that moment. Basic ingredients in green celery juice. Most simple recipes use only fresh celery stalks, often one medium bunch, and cold water. That base gives a low sugar, low-calorie drink that tastes clean and slightly salty. People often add lemon or lime juice for brightness, cucumber for a milder, spa-like taste, green apple or pear for sweetness, or fresh ginger for a spicy kick. These extras change the flavor and can make the drink easier to enjoy, but they also change the sugar content and calories. If you want a light, everyday drink, keep the core recipe as celery and water and treat add-ins as accents, not the main event. Juice versus whole celery, what actually changes? When you eat celery sticks, the fiber slows digestion. You feel more full, your blood sugar rises gently, and your gut gets roughage that helps keep things moving. When you drink celery juice, you get less fiber, faster absorption of water and minerals, and a larger amount of celery in one sitting. This can feel hydrating and light, but it may not keep you full for long. Some people notice a quick rise and fall in energy or blood sugar if they add a lot of fruit to the juice. If you care about stable fullness or you manage blood sugar, that trade-off matters. Real health benefits of green celery juice, backed by science. Green celery juice can be a healthy drink, but many online claims go too far. It will not cure diseases, erase years of poor sleep, or replace medication. What it can do is give you a refreshing, low-calorie way to drink more fluids and add extra plant compounds to your day. Celery itself has been studied more than celery juice alone. Most of the potential benefits come from its high water content, its minerals like potassium, and its natural antioxidant compounds. Key nutrients in celery juice that support hydration and heart health. Celery is mostly water. When you juice it, you get a drink that is naturally hydrating, low in calories, and low in sugar as long as you keep fruit additions modest. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.